Hey everyone, this is day 18 of the intermittent fasting and today is very cloudy day. तो morning start करते हैं with this ginger water as usual. So after waking up, I take this ginger water. After my water, I have done these exercises which are mandatory: stretching, breathing, Surya Namaskar, dumbbells and all. And then I have taken my first meal as my breakfast after 11:30, which was simple upma, in that I have added some peanuts and onions. So this is light, and by this I finished my fasting window and my eating window now started. So after having my breakfast, I took this lunch around 2:30, and that I have added some lauki ki sabzi and two chapatis. So this I took around 2:30. After my lunch, I have taken the snack in small quantity along with some tea, and the recipe for the snack I have already shared in my shorts. You can check it out. So around 4:30 or 5 near, I have taken this small snack, and this my dinner. In that I have added two chapatis again and some rice and bhindi ki sabzi, and this I have taken around 7 o'clock. So yes, this is the end of the day 18. So this now my calorie intake stopped, and now let's prepare for the day 19. Thank you. Bye bye.